In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom instructions to Grok AI. If you've ever wanted a personalized touch when interacting with this AI, say a bit more humor or a specific tone in its responses, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can tailor Grok AI to suit your preferences perfectly. To begin, let's open up a web browser and go to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type the word Grok. You should see results populate right away. Look for the official website of Grok AI and click on that link. This will take you directly to the Grok AI homepage. Upon landing on the Grok website, navigate over to the lower left corner where you will find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This settings page is the gateway to all the customization options Grok offers. Let's move on to the next part of this journey by clicking on the Customize option on the sidebar. This takes you into the customization area where you can begin defining how you'd like Grok AI to behave and interact with you. Here, you'll see an option labeled Custom. Click on it. This is where you can craft your unique instructions. For instance, you might want your AI to respond with a witty tone or sprinkle in a bit of humor in its replies. This allows you to inject personality into your interactions, making them more engaging and suited to your style. Once you've entered your desired instructions, whether they're amusing, formal, or tailored in a way that fits your needs, hit the Save button. Saving these settings ensures that Grok AI will remember and apply your customizations in future interactions. It's a good idea to double-check that everything is saved correctly to avoid any mishaps. Now that you've set up your custom instructions, it's time to test them out. To do this, create a prompt. Let's use something fun, like asking, "Explain how quantum computing works in a way that even a cat could understand." This prompt will allow you to see how Grok incorporates your custom instructions into its explanation. Finally, click Submit. This action sends your prompt to Grok, and you should soon see a response that adheres to the instructions you set. From here, you can enjoy the consistency and personalization you've brought to your AI interactions. And that's it. You've successfully customized Grok AI with your own set of instructions. Feel free to adjust and experiment with different tones and styles to get the most out of your AI experience. Thanks for joining in, and happy customizing!